Hello everyone! Welcome back to our phonics class. Today we are going to learn something very interesting and super important in reading. Hard C and soft C. So are you ready? Let's begin. What is the letter C sound? The letter C is a special letter because it has two different sounds. Yes, sometimes it sounds like k, k. We call it as hard C sound, and sometimes it sounds like s, s. We call it as soft C sound. So today we will learn hard C sound and soft C sound. So let's learn both sounds with examples. Hard C sound. The hard C sounds like k, k, as in cat, car, cake, cup, coat, clip. So the hard sound of letter C is k, k. Good job. Now rule for hard C. When the letter C is followed by A, O, U or any consonant, it makes k sound. I repeat, when the letter C is followed by A, O, U or any consonant, it makes k sound. So remember, C-A, C-O, C-U or C plus any consonant makes hard C sound. For example, cat, cod, cut. Now let's learn the soft C sound. Soft C sounds like s, s, as in ice, rice, face, mice, city, cycle. So here the letter C is making s sound. Now rule for soft C. When the letter C is followed by E, I, Y, it makes s sound. I repeat, when the letter C is followed by E, I, Y, it makes s sound. So remember, C-E, C-I, C-Y makes soft C sound. For example, city, scent, cycle. It's quick practice time. This colorful and engaging worksheet helps children understand the difference between hard C and soft C sound. So let's do the worksheet. Children, look at the cute picture. Then read the bold word clearly. Then identify the correct sound. Then tick the correct box. Look at the first picture and the word cat. Say the word aloud. Cat. K, k. It's a hard sound. So tick the correct box. Now look at the next word. City. City. Yes, here the letter C makes s sound. So it's a soft C sound. So let's tick the box. Very good. Now look at the next picture. It's a cup. Yes, the word is cup. Say the word aloud. Cup. K. Is it hard C or soft C? Yes, excellent. It's a hard C sound. So put a tick in the correct box. Next, look at the next picture. It's a cycle. Cycle. Say the word aloud. Cycle. Is it hard C or soft C? Yes, great job. It's a soft C sound. So put a tick in the correct box. Now look at the next word. It's a caught. Caught. Yes, it's a hard C sound. So let's tick the box. Now look at the next word. Scent. Scent. Here the letter C makes S sound. Is it hard C or soft C? Excellent! It's a soft C sound. So put a tick in the correct box. Well done! This activity improves phonics skills, sound recognition, reading confidence, and attention. So today we have learned hard C and soft C sound. Hard C says k, k, and soft C says s, s. We also learned the rules. When C comes before A, O, U, it makes hard C sound. K. And when C comes before E, I, Y, it makes soft C sound. S. So the vowel after C helps us to know the sound of letter C. Now let's sing a catchy song. C with A, C with O, C with U, K, K, K. C with E, C with I, C with Y, S, S, S. Hard C, soft C, we can see. C has two sounds for you and me. So that's all for today. If you enjoyed this phonics lesson, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more fun-filled phonics lessons. See you in the next class. Bye-bye.